Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 8th of March. The euro rose above 131.10 against the US dollar before correcting to 130.85. The pair rose during the ECB press conference where ECB President Mario Draghi pumped confidence into the future of the Eurozone. He repeated his belief that the Eurozone economies will return to growth in the second half of 2013. However, markets may still want to take this with a pinch of salt. Today's non-farm payroll release showing employment in the US is set to boost the dollar if it comes out better than expected. The UK 100, which tracks the top 100 UK corporations, has moved above 6,450, moving above its resistance at that level, which may lead the way to high highs. WTI crude rose to 91.40 as better than expected Chinese exports pushed demand for higher energy. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar dropped from 10 to 8.85 after the ECB rate decision, pushing premiums lower. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.60. The dollar-yen pivot points at 94.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.80. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 102.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.10. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 149.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 149.60. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 103.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 103.20. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 90.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.55. The gold pivot points at 1587 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1587. The silver pivot points at 29.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 29.05. The US 500 is at 1525 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1525. And the UK 100 is at 6365 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6365. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8:15 GMT in Switzerland, we have the Consumer Price Index month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.3%. At 13:30 GMT in Canada, we have the unemployment rate expected to rise by 7.1%. And also at 13:30 GMT in USA, we have the non-farm employment change expected at 162,000. And our pair to watch at the end of this week is the dollar-yen. The US dollar has continued its strong gains against the Japanese yen ahead of today's non-farm payroll release. The pair moving above 95.20 has reached a 3-year high as Japanese Prime Minister Abe's plans for a weaker yen to boost exports start to materialise. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.